plastic pipe boots and why I don't like them. This video, it's got to be quick because I got 3% battery on the GoPro. You can see this one right here is in really bad shape. The homeowner's reporting a leak in this area. See this, see that, how that is? That's in pretty bad shape. There are weak links to any pipe boot out there. They all have their good, they all have their bad. All of them have a weak link with this rubbery gasket that makes contact with this. If it's steel, plastic, galvanized aluminum, it does not matter. It's gonna have a weak link with this. But this one here, however, this plastic, it is just deteriorating. Just touching it, you can see it's turning to powder. You don't have to even go poking hard at it. It's just falling apart right here. Barely touch it, and it crumbles into this powder. It has seen better days. That's why I don't like plastic pipe boots. You might save $1 to get this versus a galvanized steel or aluminum, you know, whatever. But that's not good. Also, in the cold when you shoot them, you risk it cracking. Not a fan of them. Battery's going dead on me. Quick video, plastic, why I don't like it. Lead, that's good if you want to fork out some money, but I will say in my area here in central Indiana, the squirrels will wreak havoc on the little lead seal up here. They see it and they just chew it up to keep their teeth in good shape, sparkly pearly white, but that will cause a leak too. A lot of people on the channel say you got to go lead. Around here, I would think twice on that. My boot of my choice is the aluminum pipe boot right here. Same brand, this is an Odie. I would recommend aluminum Odie. They're not gonna rust, they're not gonna leave rust stains, they're not gonna crack, they're not gonna be brittle and dry rot. Over time, you could have this happen, but you simply shove a new one on. I don't like these. Anyway, that is my 2 cents on plastic pipe boots, why I don't like it. Let me know what your thoughts are. If I'm wrong, let me know. I personally have not seen one go this bad before. There's another one right over here as well, doing the same thing, pretty bad shape. It's about gone. Look at the powder coming off of that. It's just crumbling into powder. I don't have anything on the truck to fix this. This is about a 40-minute drive for me up north. So what we're gonna do real quick, there's gonna be some haters of this, but I'm gonna MacGyver this thing. Told him, in case I can't get back to this or you can't find somebody to fix it, I'm literally gonna cut little U-shapes out of this, put it over it, silicone really lightly to it to stick it down and divert the water. Let's try. I don't know how much battery power I'm gonna have in here, but I'm gonna do that. Stick around if you wanna see it. Come on, battery, hold up. Basically, we're just gonna get a diverter around this. If it's big enough, hell, I could almost just cut a little U-shape in there and shove it over it. Probably just do a big U-shape through this, put two together. We'll see how well that looks. It's blinding me. Maybe, just maybe, shove that under this right here. Put a little kink so it doesn't run back. I don't want to make a big mess of it onto the pipe itself because I want to be able to clean the pipe up and caulk or put a new pipe bit on this later without making a big mess. Genius, I say it. Huh, genius. Very small, thin, discreet line. Now that is some definite MacGyver hack right there. Are you old enough to know who MacGyver is? Pretty stoked. Fancy. Yes, this is not a paying job. This is just simply free. Actually, I wasted $1 in metal right there. Yeah, actually no, it's $1.10, 55 cents a piece, just to cover that up, and who knows, maybe $1 worth of caulking out of that tube, because I'm that kind of guy. If you like the channel, give it a thumbs up. Consider sticking around and subscribing for the next upcoming videos, so you're notified what MacGyver does. Let's do this again. I'm going to try to improve upon my skills. At least I know the rain's not going to get in there until this can get repaired. Not gonna go under that one as easy. I'm gonna get him an estimate figured for replacing these two pipe boots. Until we can get someone out here to do it, so at least keeping the majority of the rain from going into his attic. I'm such a nice guy. Somehow the GoPro battery managed to last this long. It's probably on E right now, so we're gonna wrap up. That is some serious MacGyver hack right there. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, you know what to do. We'll see you on the next one.